Reef DVM's coming at you today with a real handy review. This is the Cabela's jerky slicer that you can buy at Cabela's. Cost-wise, it isn't real bad. I think it's about $100 if you use some Cabela points and you hit the sales just right. Last year and the year before and the year before that, we made jerky either by pressing it through a gun or slicing it up. And this year, I wasn't going to go through making jerky by slicing it up. Well, because we got an elk. So I've got some beautifully cut pieces of meat here. You just drop them in. I'm using my fingers. As you can see, though, in another shot where my wife does it, there is a little tongs that you can use. You line your meat up the way you'd like and drop it in, and it makes some really nice slices out of it. This machine has a metal body with kind of a plastic stand to it and a plastic top. It's a little bit of a pain in the butt to clean, but other than that, it worked flawlessly. We ran several hundred pounds through it. Never gave us any trouble, especially if you line the meat up and get the thickness right, which is anything under about, I'd say 1.25 inches. It did a fantastic job. It saved a lot of time. We probably cut 100 pounds of jerky in less than an hour, which last time probably would have taken us 3 hours to strip out. Took it over to the dehydrator. After we had let it sit for about 12 hours in a marinade and dehydrated out some great jerky. Folks, this is a fantastic tool. I'd highly recommend the Cabela's Jerky Slicer to save time making jerky. Thanks, please watch and subscribe, and we'll continue making great videos like this.